fell in love with who I thought you were, someone who'd never wanna see me hurt. But I was fooled by all your vows and words. No longer. We built a house when we were 21. Now I know why it never felt like home. Who can predict the future when they're young? Ooh, I wonder. You call and keep on asking, is it too late for us? The answer I keep giving, isn't it obvious? Our love has turned to nothing. But before I go, you should know, should know. You owe me years and years of happy times. You owe me tears and tears, 'cause I'm all out. Yeah, you were the worst kind of pain, but you were the pain that I needed to change. So I owe you too, yeah, yeah. I tried my best to fit in with your crew. Got close with all your friends, but never you. You shut me out and gave me attitude. No longer. You call and keep on asking, is it too late for us? The answer I keep giving, isn't it obvious? Our love has turned to nothing. But before I go, you should know, should know. You owe me years and years of happy times. You owe me tears and tears, 'cause I'm all out. Yeah, you were the worst kind of pain, but you were the pain that I needed to change. So I owe you too, yeah, it's true, yeah. What they say, the honeymoon is just a phase. I found out in the worst of ways, but you were the best of my mistakes. You owe me years and years of happy times. You owe me tears and tears, 'cause I'm all out. Yeah, you were the worst kind of pain, but you were the pain that I needed to change. So I owe you too, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Monday you come over, stay a couple days. I wonder, is it gonna last? Will you keep your promise? Honor what you said, be honest. Will you do your best? You said with forever that you wouldn't leave me, never. But it's all a test, 'cause Friday I know better. You go out, say see you later. My thoughts are running wild, spreading like a fire. I can't help but press your number dial. Call you every hour, but every call's denied. I love to hate you on the weekends. That's when you trigger ugly feelings. Wish you wouldn't give me reasons to bring out the worst in me. Ooh, I love to hate you from a distance. But when you're close to me, it switches. Only takes a couple kisses to bring back the best in me. Ooh. Do you play it safe, or are you just a player, baby? 'Cause I need to know. If your love's exclusive, if your mouth and heart's agreeing, need to know for sure. Cause I can't take this anymore. Don't want you more. You're running out my door and leaving me behind. I gotta get some answers before I go under, baby. My thoughts are running wild, spreading like a fire. I can't help but press your number down. Call you every hour, but every call's denied. I love to hate you on the weekends. That's when you trigger ugly feelings. Wish you wouldn't give me reasons to bring out the worst in me. Ooh, I love to hate you from a distance. But when you're close to me and switches, only takes a couple kisses to bring back the best in me. Ooh, love you on the weekdays when you stick around. Love you when you pick up, when you take the time off. Love you on the weekdays when you stick around. But I love to hate you on the weekends. That's when you trigger ugly feelings. Wish you wouldn't give me reasons to bring out the worst in me. Ooh, I love to hate you from a distance. But when you're close to me and switches, only takes a couple kisses to bring back the best in me. Ooh. I fell in love with who I thought you were. Someone who'd never wanna see me hurt. But I was fooled by all your vows and words. No, built a house when we were 21. Now I know why it never felt like home. Who can predict the future?